Look, this dude's got a Johnson boat motor hanging on the top. Look at that hanging on there. Where we at?
At Bus Tavern, open car cruise, car show.
Every what? It's every
Third Saturday
of the month. Yes. I might have chopped her head a little bit there, but she did tell you what you needed to hear. There we go. That's better. Look at that. He's all body kitted up. That's pretty clean. I ain't seen one with body kit like that. And you got your new one. Stand there. Smile. Leader boy. The bad boy. Sound like it blew up. Blow it up, boys. Got your fox bodies here. It's pretty clean right there, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's clean though. That car is clean.
Please just put your windows up, keep your tops off, or go inside and you have 50-50 and we'll draw for it inside. The other thing I'm looking for, we're doing still doing the usual look at the schedule. So I've got 4 items up here, the 3 items I am looking for. I go to the man. If you've got one of those, please bring them
hot rod was a 87 Monty Super Sport. I had to sell it. The same interior I had. Same exact interior I had. Got everybody out here hanging out, partying. Brand new Cadillac. Oh yeah. Got an LS in it, of course. Look at the seats in this thing. Jesus. Oh, wow. What's the price? That's a custom ride. Is that Mike? You'll see. No, maybe it ain't. Mike! What are you doing, Mike?
What are you doing?
Oh, look at this custom ride. Got a little Vortec in there, little Vortec head motor. That's what I would want. That's not a bad color right there. It's almost the same color as my race car. Yeah, big block car, baby. Of course.
He was like, what's this?
4-speed car. This is that Nova right here. This is one I need to buy right here. 283 car. don't like that novel? That's one I can buy. Look at the color on that, pearl white. That's a cougar. That's pretty badass. I like that. I like that paint. Fairlane. You like that? That's pretty good. They got her hot rodded up. I like the turquoise. Yeah, definitely get a lot of turquoise off this side because it's set next to this car. See the green in it? Oh, it's badass, man. It just needs window tint. I love you. Come on, this way.